Good afternoon, TikTok family. I'm coming in today to talk to my Gen Xers and making money online. Ladies, are you divorced and starting over? Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? No way you will ever be able to retire. That divorce has just completed you. Well, let me tell you something. I've got something, if I told you there was a way to earn $900 a day, passive pay, imagine the freedom living your life without financial stress. Ladies, $900 a day. Within 3 years, you could be a millionaire. That is not even exaggerating. Women like me going through a divorce, you've been divorced, everything's been depleted. You have got to start over. Are you ever be able to retire? No, this is your answer. This was my answer. This is the reason I decided to try it. I've got great news for you. With Legacy Builders, you can achieve financial security. You can take control of your future again. Our community offers support, e-learning training, and tools that will make you and help you succeed. Ladies, there is hope out there for us. No more running from 9 to 5. No more. Am I going to be able to retire? Yes, you will be able to retire. It's just a subscription away. Subscribe to my website, which is linked in the bio down here. And listen, ladies, there is an opportunity for making money online. You can be a beginner. You're Gen X women, $900 a day passive pay, $900 a day. Or just imagine that. You could be ready to retire. You would be able to retire. You could actually travel and work. Spend time with your grandchildren. I never have time to spend time with my grandchildren. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of people telling me, you can't have that day off. You are this, and still can't make ends meet. Listen, your digital empire awaits you. This is the products that you would be selling. I'll be back tomorrow to give you a little bit more. But if you want some more information, listen, just subscribe or comment ready. There is answers for us, ladies. Even though we're 40s and 50-year-old, we can make it. We can make it. We can make it. There is a way out there to make it. Just comment or subscribe and let me help you show you. Y'all have a good night.